this is Abhishek Sengupta. We are back with another episode of Knowledge Talks. Now, in this episode, we have with us Mr. Kaushik Bhattacharjee, the sales strategist, is a business strategist, a registered startup mentor, and MSME consultant. It's going to be an interesting show. Please watch it till the end. Hello, this is Abhishek Sengupta. We are back with another episode of Knowledge Talks. Now, in this episode of Knowledge Talks, we have with us Mr. Kaushik Bhattacharjee. Is a sales strategist, is a business strategist, and is a common face in many news channels and news shows. Apart from that, he is also a registered startup mentor and MSME consultant. He has helped many companies to overcome tough situations. He has helped many companies to plan their business strategies and, of course, the growth strategies. Mr. Bhattacharjee, welcome to our show.
Thank you, Abhishek. Thanks for the kind introduction.
Now, with the shift in digitalization, now social media marketing or digital marketing has become a key. Now, nowadays, with this digitalization taking place and all this, most of the social media platform or digital platforms have shifted their back-end algorithm from organic contents to paid contents. Recently, Instagram has done, they have reduced their weightage on organic contents. Now, bigger companies can easily pay because they have got a huge budget. How smaller companies can cope up with this situation? Over to you, sir.
See, smaller companies who do not want to spend but want to get result need to be little bit innovative, right? If you are not innovative, you are going to perish anyway. So you have to stay alert and you have to be innovative. You have to, again, I think there would be a little bit of repetition. Facebook is already giving a lot of free tools. We are not aware. Google is giving a lot of free tools. You are not aware. And we have to change our style of digital marketing. I'm not sure if this is the right time or you have still some questions, but many new digital marketing funda has come up, like ABM, account-based marketing, and persuasive marketing. Okay, so there are location-based marketing. So I would repeat one point, which is account-based marketing. All mid-sized companies with less money must try account-based marketing. Account-based marketing is for B2B businesses, which covers influencers, bloggers, decision makers, and a lot of other stakeholders. And so this is very important. One should understand how exactly to start and practice account-based marketing. Persuasive marketing, where we understand what people are looking for, their psychology, their eyeballs, and accordingly use tools and psychometry to do our marketing communication and all. And as I said, also very important is follow people where they are. So location-based marketing. So use this new funda in digital marketing, and which is going to get you a lot of result. So digital marketing is quickly changing. So gone are those days when we can only use old funda. So many new, artificial intelligence-backed chatbots. These are also, which is very useful. And there are many free chatbots backed by AI, which is already there. So I have to integrate couple of tools, and I have to use more than, Instagram is charging, that is true. But there are many platforms. I just cannot recall all the names on the fly, but there are many platforms where tools are free and you can use in your favor. You just need to be very smart. have to very informative and follow the right blogs and platforms and right speaker who keep on forecasting new tools and review and release for smaller companies. And you can use those beta and give feedback, and they'll keep giving you the free version because you are testing on their tool and giving them the right feedback. So you have to stay alert and keep using them. And very soon India will have its own data law and data sovereignty law, and we can always hear WhatsApp and Facebook backtracking on the policy they were going to implement from 8th February. So they have put it on hold because of a lot of backlash, not only from public but also from different governments. And so world is so dynamic. Yesterday we thought we'll opt out of WhatsApp, go to Signal and Telegrams. Today people are actually ready to watch and wait and see, because of backlash, WhatsApp has given a status on WhatsApp for the first time that they are not implementing, they are holding this thing. So this is very dynamic situation post pandemic. So one has to be equally alert and work as per the need of the hour and stay attentive and work as per that. Right, Abhishek?
Well, I think that's something which we got from you is this: we should not hunt for paid marketing, but a lot of free tools are also available in digital world as well as in social media marketing. It's available, which we should explore, and we should use it for promotion of the business. It's good for small business owners.
I give you just one example. And for paid marketing, if you have to do paid marketing along with these tools, you go for paid marketing, use very sensitively and intelligently. Again, you crunch your own data. You just don't depend on someone else. You are a small business, so you have to make your hand dirty, do things by yourself, and analyze those data by yourself and accordingly set the parameter. So your spend on paid channels would be much lesser. I give you one example. This week, last week, we are running some ads on Facebook, and agency demanded a business. I'm talking for a particular business, which is a real estate business. Agency demanded a lot of money to give qualified leads, and for $800, we generated no junk, all qualified leads. Around 22 qualified leads, only at the cost of 800 rupees, which was otherwise, a lot of costly. What we did, we just went deep into the data, we understood, and we parameterized, and accordingly, actually set up the lead generation plane of Facebook, and which has helped me generate a lot of to the point valuable lead. So key is you understand your own data, who is your customer, what is value to them, write the ad copy accordingly, do the communication messaging accordingly, you understand where are they, how to reach out to them. You understand this very well and understand the data, and then go for paid. So paid would give you much bigger result at a much lesser cost.
Well, that's a wonderful point, because to the point marketing really gives a lot of, and moreover, what you have rightly said, that digital, the cost of digital marketing is much less than the traditional marketing. As you have rightly given an example, that 800 rupees, with just 800 rupees, we got some very good, very qualified leads, no junk leads like that. Of course, this happened because you have pinpointed the database, and something good has come out of it. It was a nice session with Mr. Kaushik Bhattacharjee. I personally extend my thanks to Mr. Bhattacharjee for taking out his time and coming to our show. I'll give the links in the description of this video, using which you can connect with Mr. Bhattacharya. but still you can visit www.kaushikbhattacharya.com. I'll give the link in the description of the video as well. And if any of you would like to connect with him for any business strategy, sales strategy, digital media strategy, you are free to connect with him. And I'm sure all of you will get benefited with his advice and with his mentoring. That's all for today. Thank you so much once again. Stay tuned, stay connected. Have a great day.